this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to like.
Hi my loves, good morning. So today is on Sunday and it's so early, like guess it's ngapi? It's almost 4:30 literally 4:30 a.m. Yeah, I woke up around 3:45. So the reason I am up this early is because we have a little baby girl retreat and we are doing a game drive here. So that is why I'm up this early, because game drives happen really early in the morning and I should be there by around 6. We are going to Nairobi National Park. Yeah. So let me just introduce myself real quick. If you're new here, my name is Stacyaseda, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Welcome to yet another video. If this is not your first time here, I thank you all so much for your continuous support towards my channel. So I want to do my makeup. I haven't sat down in this table for a very long time. If you're an OG in this channel, then you know that I used to create makeup content in this table all the time, and then now I just don't have the time to create makeup content anymore. But yeah, so I want to quickly do my makeup. I've just by the showered, and then here my edges are laying. Yeah, so the first thing, we prime. This is the primer that I am using, the Maybelline Fit Me primer. Kwani inaisha. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope sawa. I cannot imagine that this is me right now at 4 a.m. you know, doing my makeup and getting ready to do something totally different with a group of strange people I've never met before. I know Marie. The retreat has been was organized by Maria Kanga. I know her because we have never met, but yeah, at least we do talk and you know all that. Yeah, because of her content. Everyone else I've never met. If you asked me 1 year ago, this is something I would never do. This is something I would never do. I'm the type of person mwenye I'm such an introvert, by the way, and when I go to places and all faces are new, then I just tend to be in my own corner. But I'm trying to get over that, kwa sababu now it means when my friends don't want to do some things, then maybe, let's say for example I wanted to do something and now my friends don't want to do it, then it means I won't be doing it, yet I want to do it. So I'm trying to, you know, get out of my comfort zone a little and try to just have fun. It doesn't matter kama I'm going with a friend, if I'm going alone, if I'm going with a group of strangers. One thing for sure, from now on, I'm gonna have fun, all right? Yeah, so that's it. I'll montage you guys because I don't think I can be talking and doing my makeup at the same time. So itakuwa like a quick montage and then I get ready with you. This is literally a get ready with me to go for a baby girl's retreat.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire. Heat the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Fire. I know some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you, can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Change my fate, yeah, please just blow this flame away. And I hold on for rainy days. It feels like a decade, just please come and save me. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, keep the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame.
So my makeup is done. I wanted to do a glossy lip, but then I can't find my lip gloss and I'm running out of time. So let me quickly put my outfit together and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Hey guys, so this is the fit of the day. I have this trench coat on from our Kenyan closet, a bodysuit from Shein, short that I thrifted in town, belt from Shein. I have my Shein watch, and then I have these canvas shoes. I'm carrying this black bag. I'm in a hurry because my Uber is ready here, so let me leave the house. I'll catch up with you guys. Sasa.
Wow. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Hi guys, so I'm already here. Can you guys imagine Akina Maria at not even here yet? Like, I'm the first person to get here. It's about 6:15. Yeah, so I'm a timekeeper. I'm a very good timekeeper. Niko kwa gari. I'm waiting for them, so I'll catch up with you guys wakifika.
Alafu unaona kuna wale wako na marasa zinakaa ziko swollen. Okay, ni madem, wengine wako in periods, ndio maana wako hivyo. Na pia ni another sign ya kuonyesha males kuwa ako ready to mate.
Ona vile kana msuri.
As you change. Kwa females peke yake.
Like zinaishi in parks ama like
Troops, yeah, in troops too. Even those nations, in
Step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop.
Rhinos wako na a special cell zenye tuko nazo kwa makucha inaitwa quarantine. Hiyo quarantine inasaidia hiyo task yao ikivunjika as a grow back again. That's another way of conserving them. Other parks wana offer kukata hizo tasks zitakumia tu tena ku keep away the poachers. Imagine unaua hii kitu ya 4,500 kilograms juu ya pombe ya 20 kg ama 10 kg. So unfair. Grazers. Kumaanisha grazers wanakula grass. Wale wengine, kuna wale wengine wanaitwa hiyo ndege iko hapo yenye ina brown hiyo. Inaitwa red-billed oxpecker.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone.
Male tuna ni kubwa kidogo.
Mimi kuna kitu wako mbele.
Yeah, yuko mbele. Yes, exactly, yuko mbele.
Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue.
Channel. My name is Marie. I'm also a YouTuber. I create content around lifestyle and travel. And I'm so happy because today we are doing the Babygirls retreat here at Nairobi National Park. And we've seen so much. We're trying to look for lions now.
So guys, make sure you check Marie's channel out. Today we are babygirling. Nilisema weekend hakuna kulala.
Tuliagree hakuna kulala. Finally nimemanage kumtoa kwa usingizi.
I'm always sleeping.
Sleeping Beauty tumekutoa nje leo.
Yeah guys, so we are having so much fun. We've seen a lot. We are hoping to see lions. Hizo ndo tunatafuta. So yeah, we'll keep you guys
we posted. We'll keep you posted on what we see.
Exactly.
Huyu mwingine amebarikiwa na blue balls. Unajua ni kwa sababu gani? For attraction of ladies.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's working.
Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, 'cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know the other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi my love, so I just got back home and I thought I should close the vlog, you know, before I do anything else. So today was such a beautiful day. I'm so glad that I decided to go. Marie organized the most beautiful retreat for the baby girls. We had a good time. It was really nice meeting everyone in the group. I enjoyed every single moment. To think that I was very much afraid because I was like going to meet strangers and people that I've never met before. I was quite worried because I'm a very introverted person, by the way, so I was a little bit worried, but going there and meeting everyone felt really nice. Yeah, so in a nutshell, it was a beautiful Sunday. So now, kama kawaida, after this vlog, after I finish doing this outro, I'm going to remove my makeup and then sleep. Okay, sleep. That is what's next. I want to sleep. It's about 4, so I'll sleep up to I think around 6 or 7. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, you know, do all the good stuff. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you taking your time to engage with me, and I don't take it for granted. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.